Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, April 3rd. We're seeing another blustery day out there with wind gusts from the northwest expected to be similar to yesterday. Yesterday, our top gust was near about 40 miles per hour. We're going to see that again today as we go towards the late morning, early afternoon. Currently seeing just some partly cloudy skies out there, but we are going to be seeing clouds increase towards the mid to late afternoon hours. Let's take a quick look at our satellite loop this morning. We are seeing that low giving some abundant cloudiness off to the northeast. That's been rotating out there for a while. It's going to be bringing a spoke of energy south across the mid-Atlantic as we go through this afternoon and into the overnight hours. That's going to help to increase cloudiness. You start to see some clouds increase across far northern portions of Delmarva, and that'll slowly make its way down south as we go throughout the late morning hours and into this afternoon and evening. Taking a look at our surface analysis, there's that low, very deep, just to the east of New England. That's going to continue to stay in that general area for today and be pretty deep with that pressure gradient pretty tight over the area with some weak high pressure across the Ohio Valley. We are going to continue to see these northwesterly winds throughout the day today, gusting to around 35 knots or so, and seeing those winds a little high as we go into this evening. But then as we go into tomorrow morning, they'll finally start to relax as that high pressure builds a little bit closer to the mid-Atlantic region. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing northwesterly winds across pretty much the entire column up to 25,000 feet. Also seeing the winds fairly similar, seeing those winds 35 knots just above the surface, a little bit of a low level maximum near 50 knots at 3,000 feet, and seeing them 35 to 45 knots across the rest of the column, and even weakening a bit down to 25 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing a freezing level this morning just above 6,000 feet. For today, going to be looking at a high of around 59 degrees early this afternoon. We'll see those clouds slowly increase late this morning into the afternoon hours, becoming overcast towards the late afternoon or early evening. Winds are going to continue to increase as well, becoming 15 to 20 knots and gusty from the northwest by late this morning and through the afternoon. Then those winds will slowly decrease as our cloud cover increases. Seeing just some northwesterly winds at 8 to 13 knots and gusty after sunset, and then they'll shift northerly after midnight, becoming 8 to 13 knots by mid-morning Saturday with continued overcast conditions and a low of 45 degrees expected for Saturday morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we are going to be mainly just seeing scattered clouds at 25,000 feet right now. That should be the case throughout the morning hours and possibly seeing a few clouds near 6,000 feet pop up. By 4 p.m., we are going to be seeing broken cloud deck at 5,000 feet, overcast at 7,500, and then seeing ceilings lower as we go into the evening hours, down to around 1,000 feet at times. Could be seeing a slight chance of a sprinkle overnight with some of that upper level energy, but not looking too likely. Any rain we see will be just a spotty sprinkle here and there, and then just seeing overcast at 2,000 feet by the mid-morning hours of Saturday. Still going to be continuing to see some high tides along the Delmarva Atlantic coast for the next several days, currently at 1.5 foot above normal. Let's take a quick look at our weather model to show you how our weather pattern is going to be progressing over the next several days. There's that piece of energy moving over the area tonight to give us a very slight chance of a sprinkle and some cloudy conditions. It does look like due to that north to northeasterly flow expected tomorrow, we're going to continue to see overcast conditions throughout much of the day. Then as high pressure builds in a little more, we'll see some more sun on Sunday. And then as we go on early next week, we'll start to see those temperatures rise a bit, but still seeing a lot of disagreement in the models after Monday. And that's going to make it very difficult for an accurate forecast right now, as all of the models are really in a complete disagreement as we have this very messy system moving through the area. It does look like we could get some showers on Tuesday as this weak upper level system passes, and then seeing shower chances continue as well as Wednesday, perhaps a little higher on Wednesday as we have this weak low moving through the area. But as far as temperatures go, there's a lot of disagreement between our different models right now as we go into the middle of next week. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be seeing that high of 59 today, 45 low tonight. Be a little cooler tomorrow with cloudy and dreary conditions with a high of 54. Then we'll start to see those temperatures warm up, seeing partly to mostly cloudy skies for Sunday and Monday with temperatures in the low 60s. Seeing those lows become more mild as well, starting off at 40 degrees on Sunday, then getting up to a low of 51 for Tuesday morning. And then that's where, like I said, those our weather models are really not at all in agreement. So very low confidence forecast Tuesday through Thursday, but looks like we'll at least have a chance of some isolated to scattered shower activity during that period with temperatures in the mid 60s. Best chance right now looks like Wednesday for some scattered shower chances. Also seeing some mild lows during that time frame near 50 degrees. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing. Have a great day.